Hello and welcome to this video. This video will solve the n queen problem. So the question is, we have to place n queens in a n cross n chessboard in such a way that there are no two queens or that are placed in the same row, column and diagonal. So which means we cannot keep in the same row, we cannot keep in the same column, and we cannot keep in the same diagonal like this. So these are wrong. So we'll take an example for 4 cross 4. So we'll have to place 4 queens in this 4 cross 4 chessboard. So we'll start by placing the first queen in the first row like this. So which basically means we cannot keep any more queens in this row, column and diagonal. So the remaining slot we have is in the second row. So we can keep the queen either in this box or in this box. So we'll start by keeping it in the first box. So now since we have kept in this box, we cannot keep in the row, this column, this diagonal and this as well. Now we can see that we have no more slots, no more boxes left in the third row. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to go back to the second row and change the position of the queen. So we'll delete this queen and we'll keep the queen in the next box. Now since we have kept here, we cannot keep any more queens here and in the diagonal. Now we can see that we have a box in the third row, so we can keep the third queen in this box. Now since we are keeping in this box, this we cannot keep here, we cannot keep it in diagonal, and we cannot keep it in this diagonal, so this has already been cut. So we have no slots left in the fourth row. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to go back to the third row and keep the queen in the third row somewhere else. So we have no place left to keep this queen as well. So we'll have to go back and change the position of this queen. Now since we have no more place where we could keep this queen, we'll have to go back and change the position of the first queen. So this is called backtracking method. So we'll delete all these queens because it's wrong. Now we'll keep the queen in this first row, second box. Pardon my handwriting. So we cannot keep in these places, in these boxes. So we have a space left here in the last box. Now we'll keep the third queen. So we'll delete the remaining boxes, diagonal, column. So we have a slot left in third row, the first box, and deleting out the diagonal columns and diagonal rows and columns. Finally we have a slot left in fourth row, third box. So that's it. So that's the solution. So we have kept the queens in the proper places where they don't intersect in the column, row or diagonal. So this applies for the remaining sets like 5 cross 5, 6 cross 6 and so on. So you can do the same backtracking methods and you can place the queens in the correct order. But this does not apply for 2 cross 2 and 3 cross 3. This will not give, this boxes will not give solution. This does not have solution. So using this method we can solve this problem. So hope you have understood this the solution, and show your support by subscribing to this channel. Thank you.